Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate the child lock on the Samsung dryer. Let's get started. The child lock prevents children from playing with the dryer when it's in use. When activated, all buttons except for the power button are disabled and an indicator light will appear. To activate the child lock, press and hold the dryness and temp buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Once the child lock is activated, it will remain active even after the dryer is restarted. To deactivate the lock, press and hold the dryness and temp buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until the indicator light disappears. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.